Here's a $1 million question: how to run large language model faster on Mac. As you may know that I did some comparison between NVIDIA GPU and the Mac Apple Silicon. Even the best Mac still lag behind of the previous generation NVIDIA. But there are ways that to make it running faster on Mac. So today we'll be looking at one of the latest method to do that. This is called MTPLX, which is based on the multi-token prediction speculative decoding method designed for Apple Silicon, which is able to provide a 2.24 times faster decode than the original decode. So that sounds wonderful. So today we'll be giving it a trial to see how it works. We will be using a M3 Max Apple Silicon MacBook Pro, and the model we'll be running is one of the best open source model from Alibaba, the Qwen 3.6 27B model, which is a dense model typically running slow on Mac. Let's talk about the installation. So let's go to the home page, the GitHub repo, MTPLX. Scroll down, there is some introduction. And let's go to the install section. It uses the homebrew to install it. Seems to be quite simple, just one command. Go to the terminal and paste the installing command, press enter. And after that, you should be able to start it. So there are some detailed instructions, so you can see which one fits your need. So here is also a verification for that. There's a doctor here. You can chat it. There is a local chat in your browser. You can also do a terminal chat too. So we'll do that. So we'll need to choose a model, quantize the Q4 version selected for new Apple Silicon. Or if you want to optimize the quality, you will need to get a higher precision one. Or you can choose a local model. Just press 1. Press enter. Y. So here we have it. So let's see that to start it. Also install the fast draft. So this one. This is a draft model, and the reasoning is on. So let's come see the status. MTP is on, and the speed. And let's look at carefully the RAM, the GPU is here. So alright, so we do see that for 192 tokens, it's generated in about 7.8 seconds. The speed is at 24.68 tokens per second. And this is the 64 verified cores. So this one is M3 Max. It can get to 24.68 tokens per second. So I think that's pretty fast. Consider this is the M3 Max chip. Let's give it some questions. Sky blue. Press enter. And looking at the GPU and the RAM use is about 15.26 gigabytes. So I think that equals to the size of the model, about 16 gigabytes. And we see the GPU is pretty much very busy at around 94, 92, 93%. So some others also. So here is the render, the title, and ANE. And we do see that the speed is at about 24 tokens per second. The total is about 24. The MTP is at verification also tells you about it. That's time to the first token is 0.4 second. Wow, it's really cool. I think overall it's a very smooth experience. You can install it by basically one command and then start right away doing the testing, doing the generating, and you can easily turn on or off the reasoning, turn on off the MTP. So for example, if we turn the MTP off, right? So yeah, MTP is off now. So let's do a speed. So 192. Once we turn it off, I think the utilization becomes higher, even around 93-94%. The RAM usage is about slightly less than the previous one. So the 192 tokens decoded is about 15.35 token per second. So I think that's by easily turn on the switch, we can see that we can get a much higher speed, right? So I think that's quite really useful for that. Okay, so what if we wanted to like a normal chat interface, normal chat session? And so here, let's also do that. Yeah, overall we see that you only need about 16 gigabytes of the VRAM, 16 gigabytes of the unified RAM, and you have the M3 Max or better ones or other generations. So I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, so I think this is a wonderful experience. So you can experience like a one top path speed for that. Okay, so we do see that without the MTP, it's much slower. So I really just turn it on, it will be much easier. So overall, I think this is a very smooth experience using the MTPLX on Mac. The installation is very easy, and the speed up is also very obvious. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumb up and share it. Please subscribe to the channel for future content. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.